Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? You're not alone. Many people struggle with money management. But there's hope. Setting realistic financial goals is the key to taking control. Today, we'll show you how to create a plan that works. Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. Understanding your current financial situation. The first step is understanding where you stand financially. Track your income and expenses for a few months. Write down every dollar you earn and spend. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet. Calculate your net worth. Your net worth is your assets minus your liabilities. It's a snapshot of your overall financial health. Check your credit score. Your credit score affects your ability to borrow money. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest. Identifying your financial goal. What do you want to achieve financially? Dream big, but be realistic. Do you want to buy a house? Save for retirement? Pay off debt? Travel the world? Start a business? Write down your goals, both short-term and long-term. Setting smart goals. Make sure your goals are smart. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house. Measurable. Set concrete numbers and deadlines. I will save $500 per month for the next 20 months. Achievable. Make sure your goals are realistic. Don't set yourself up for failure. Relevant. Align your goals with your values and priorities. Make sure your goals are meaningful to you. Time-bound. Set a deadline for each goal. This will help you stay on track. Creating a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap. It helps you track your income and expenses. List all your sources of income. Include your salary, side hustles, and any other income. List all your expenses. Be thorough and include everything. Identify areas where you can cut back. Look for subscriptions you don't use or unnecessary spending. Allocate money to different categories. Use the 50-30-20 rule or create your own categories. Review your budget regularly. Make adjustments as needed. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a safety net. It covers unexpected expenses like job loss or medical bills. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start small and gradually increase your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Make saving a habit. Paying off debt. High-interest debt can be a burden. Make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Consider the snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first. The avalanche method focuses on paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first. Avoid accumulating new debt. Use credit cards responsibly. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are key to building wealth. Start early and take advantage of compound interest. Compound interest is interest earned on interest. It can significantly grow your savings over time. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider different investment options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are all possibilities. Seek professional advice if needed. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan, reviewing and adjusting your goals. Life changes, and so will your financial goals. Review your goals regularly. Make adjustments as needed. Major life events can impact your finances. Marriage, having children, or buying a house can all change your financial priorities. Don't be afraid to change your goals if your circumstances change. Setting realistic financial goals is the first step to financial freedom. It takes planning, discipline, and patience. Celebrate your progress along the way. Don't give up if you encounter setbacks. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.